If you're running a 009 distributor, it doesn't use vacuum advance, just good old RPM. That means you don't time it at idle. You'll need to set it at total mechanical advance, which is around 30 degrees before top dead center at around 3000 RPM. But here's the catch. Most VW pulleys don't show you 30. You'll get top dead center and maybe 7.5 or 10. And that's it. So if you're guessing where 30 is, don't. Let me show you 3 ways to do that right now. This is the simplest and most accurate. Most timing lights today have an advance feature. Dial in 30, point it at the top dead center mark, slowly bring the revs up and you'll see the mark advance to the left. Keep revving until that stops. That's your full advance. Now adjust this mark to line up with the case seam, and that's it. No extra marks needed. If you've got a timing light without the advance feature, that's okay. Print out our 30-degree template, cut out the circles, and line it up with top dead center. It'll show you exactly where to mark your 30. Use a paint pen or masking tape, whatever you've got handy. Here's the old school way, tape and a ruler. If you've got a stock VW pulley, that's about 175mm across, then 30 works out to be 46mm clockwise from top dead center. Measure it, mark it, and you're done. We can confirm this is right by now setting our timing light to 0. If we bring the revs up and that mark lines up with the case seam, it's perfect. And it does. Give it a permanent mark and you're set for future tune-ups. Don't forget the template link in the description. You'll get 5, 7.5, 10 and 30 degree templates. And if you're still running the original pulley, knowing what they are can tell you what your engine was originally set up for. What's that, you say? Let's look at that in the next nibble. 1 pulley, 3 marks, no more guesswork.